So this video is going to talk you through this question in the mock paper, the one about the OCR theme park. So there's some blurb at the start of the question. Theme parks aimed at children and adults. Entrance tickets are sold online. An adult ticket to OCR Land costs £19.99, with a child ticket costing £8.99. A booking fee of £2.50 is added to all orders. Fair enough, that's the background. Some of that is just extraneous material you don't really need to know, but there are some important bits in there that you do need to know. And then this thing, a function ticket price takes the number of adult tickets and the number of child tickets as parameters. It calculates and returns the total price to be paid. And you've got to use pseudocode to create an algorithm for the function ticket price. So this is the mark scheme. So you've got to define a function called ticket price. That's the first mark. Then if you do that and you do this bit, you get the second mark. It accepts two parameters and has no other inputs. So that's how I wrote it. Function ticket price, adult child. So the key things you need to know are that to define a function, you have to name it. In Python, if you're writing in Python, it would be def ticket price. In Visual Basic, it's function ticket price. So that gets you the first mark. If you've just defined the function ticket price, it basically tells you it there. And then the two parameters. You can call the parameters whatever you like as long as they are in some way relevant. Actually, you could call them A and B if you wanted, you'd still get the mark. Parameters are values that are passed to a function and are used then as variables within the function. So we'll use adult and child later in the program. So you've got to use this pseudocode to create this an algorithm for the function. So the function has got to take the number of adult tickets, which is what it gets from that, and the number of child tickets, which is what it gets from that. It calculates and returns the total price to be paid. So your calculation's got to work out the total price to be paid, which is where these bits of information come in. So let's have a look at the next line. So the adult cost, as in the cost of tickets for adults, is equal to adult times £19.99, which is what you get there. So adult gives you the number of adult tickets. Adult cost is a variable that will hold the value of adult times £19.99. If adult is empty or there's nothing passed to it, it'll be 0, and therefore adult cost will be 0. And the child cost variable next will be exactly the same, except it's using child and £8.99. And the next bit works out the total cost being adult cost plus child cost plus £2.50. You could do all that in one line. If you wanted to, you could put total cost is equal to adult times £19.99 plus child times £8.99 plus £2.50. But I think it's easier to work it out like this. We'll set it out like this, and then you return the total cost. So that passes the calculated cost back to the main program. And that's it.